Without any waste of time, we are going to continue from where we stopped in part 39, because what you are watching now is part 40. Question 34. Shakespearean dash are generally the victims of circumstances. Shakespearean dash are generally the victims. By the time they say victims, it means that your answer has to be in plural. Circumstances. A. Heroes. B. Heroes. C. Hero. D. Heroes. Which one is spelled correctly? The correct spelling of heroes, that is plural of hero, is D. Heroes. We now proceed. Question 35. Remember, if you watch this particular video till the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past questions, free of charge, on your 4 JAMB subjects, for those of you that are members of this YouTube channel. The brave officer dash the time bomb. The brave officer dash the time bomb. A. Diffused. Pay attention to the spelling. A. Diffused. B. The ruse. C. Diffused. D. Diffused. This answer, the correct answer is to stop a time bomb. The answer is C. To diffuse it means it will not blow again. He was able to disconnect the connections in the bomb, and it will not blow again. Select the wrongly spelled word. Disappoint with double P. Embarrass with 1 B, 1 R and double S. Equipped with double P. And restaurant. Which one is not spelled very well? Which one is wrongly spelled? Let me show you very well, because I won't answer this question. I'm giving it to you as an assignment. Which one? This is question 37. Tell me in the comment section. Even if you make a research, even if you have to pause this video and find out, tell me the one you think was spelled wrongly. Is it A, disappointed, B, embarrassed, C, equipped, D, restaurant? I want you to take note of how they were spelled. Okay, we move on. Okay, question 38. From the words lettered A to D, choose the word that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. From the words lettered A to D, choose the word that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. A. Hang. Hang. Remember, we're talking about consonant sound now, not vowel sound. Which one has the same consonant sound? A. This is question 38. A. Hang. So, this before G. Is it hinge? Tinge. Song. Balm. The answer, of course, is C. Hang. Song. Okay? We proceed immediately. What you are watching is part 30. Part 40. We started from part 1 to If I Were You. After watching this part 40, I will go over and start over again from part 1. Watch part 1 with your pen and paper. Get yourself somewhere quiet. Watch part 1, watch part 2, watch part 3, watch every part. Remember that use of English is so important. It has the highest number of questions, 60 questions, while others will have only 40. So don't joke with it at all. We now proceed. Choose the option that best fills the gap. Choose the option that best fills the gap. A. The trader complained that he dash robbed. The trader complained that he dash robbed. A. Had been robbed. B. Has been robbed. C. Was being robbed. D. Is being robbed. The trader complained that he has been robbed. The answer to question 39 is B. We now move on to question 40. From the words letter A to D, choose the word that has the same vowel sound as one represented by the underlying letter or letters underlined. Pause. A. Journey. B. Pays. C. Pause. Journey. A. Journey. B. Pays. C. Hat. D. course. The answer is A. Forget about my own pronunciation, but the correct answer, purse, journey. Okay, we move on. Question 42. From the word letter A to D, choose the word that has the same vowel sound. Vowel sound, the word is shoe. Shoe. Is it food? Is it food? Shoe, food. Is it put? Is it blood? The correct answer for shoe is B. Food. Food. It's often confusing, but that is the correct answer. In the following questions, the main or stroke primary stress is indicated by writing the syllables in which it occurs in capital letter. From the words letter A to D, choose the one that has the correct stress. Of course, you know that stress is a very critical aspect that they always ask over and over again. Now, it appears I'm stressing you with these videos I made, but I'm not stressing you. I keep giving you these videos every day because I believe that this year is your year and I want you to claim it. I believe that you will score 300 and above this year's JAMB. Even if you failed JAMB last year, even if you have written JAMB before and you did not do it well, this is the year you will smash JAMB. This is the year you will enter school. This is the way you will not only gain admission, but you will gain admission on merit in that school that you desire. If you claim it, type I claim it. You can even shout amen if you claim it. Now, what is the correct stress for education? Is it in A or is it in D? Is it in educate or is it in education? Is it education? The correct place to place stress in education is C. Education. Education. That is the area you can stress. Okay, we move down to this question. Follow me. From the options choose the word that best fills the gap. Fills the gap. Each of the contestants dash a chance now. Each of the contestants, this one is always confusing. Each of the contestants dash a chance now. A has a chance now. B have a chance now. C get a chance now. D gets a chance now. Each of the contestants has a chance now. The correct answer to question 49 is A. Let's proceed. Remember that beyond this video you are watching on Use of English, I've also done you a favor by doing other videos, several videos on biology, physics, chemistry, Use of English, the JAMB novel, government, what is it called? Literature, economics. I've done videos on all the 4 subjects we'll be writing. If you need me to give you access, the link to all of the videos, expo questions, expected questions, past question and answer we have done on all those subjects, just if you're a member of our channel, just come under this video and say, please give me the link to all those videos we've done. Remember, it is only for members of our channel. It's very simple to be a member. Just click on join, be a member, and you will receive all those materials free. From the option choose the word that best fill the gap. Toyosi arrived late, dash the right route. Toyosi arrived late, dash the right route. A cannot have taken the right route. B could not have taken the right route. C could not have taken the right route. And D could not have taken the right. The answer is D. The answer to question Toyosi arrived late, could not have taken the right route. Okay, we now move on. From the options, choose the word that best fill the gap. We are looking at filling the gap now. A, it was a funny episode, dash. It was a funny episode, dash. Please, if the videos I make are helpful to you, give me your testimony in the comment section. And do you want me to keep making videos like this? let me know in the comment section. With your encouragement, it will motivate me to make more of such videos. It was a funny episode. Dash. A. Can't help to laugh. B. Couldn't help laugh. C. Couldn't help laughing. D. Couldn't help to laugh. It was a funny episode. Dash. I. Dash. I. A. Couldn't help to laugh. B. I couldn't help laugh. C. I couldn't help laughing. C. I couldn't help to laugh. The answer is, remember, always try to understand the question before you answer. The answer is C. It was a funny episode. I couldn't help laughing. That means he laughed very well. Maybe a comedy show, Sabinus. From the words letter A to D, choose the word that rhymed with the given word. Pearl. Which one rhymes? Pearl. A. Pe. B. Palm. C. Malls. D. Hair. Question 52. Which one rhymes with pear? Is it pear? Is it palm? Is it mall? Is it haw? Of course, A is the one that rhymes with the question. We move on. They dash our donation with thanks. They dash our donation with thanks. In this question, please also pay attention to how the words are spelled. Also pay attention to, JAMB is an expert in twisting and turning you. So pay attention in how each of the words options are spelled. They dash our donation with thanks. A. Received. B. Receipt. C. Received. D. Received. So the first receive is I-E. That's R-E-C-I-E. Then the second received in B is R-E-C-E-I. Then the third received in D is R-E-C-C-E-I. Which one is the correct answer? They dash our donation with thanks. The correct spelling for received is C. R-E-C-E-I-V-E-D. So in received, R-E-C-E will come first before I. I hope you are learning these things. I want you to note them. Note them. I want you to enter this exam hall fully 100% prepared. Let nothing take you by surprise in the JAMB hall. That is why I'm making this effort for you. From the words letter A to D, choose the word that rhymes with the given word. Tenderly. 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 Okay. A. Actually. B. Slenderly. C. Faithfully. D. Constantly. Which one rhymes? Let me repeat it because I'm giving you this question 55 as an assignment. It's very simple now. A. Tenderly. Tenderly. A. Actually. B. Slenderly. C. Faithfully. D. Constantly. Remember, we're looking at tenderly. Tell me the answer to question 55 in the comment section. Okay? Don't jump. Any assignment I gave you, there is a reason for each of the assignments I give you. It is when you find yourself in the exam hall that you know why I'm choosing specific assignments. From the words letter A to D, choose the word that has the same vowel sound as the one represented. Brought. 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 Let's look at brought. A. Remember the vowel sound. Bro, ro, ro, ro. Roar. B. Pluff. C. Drought. D. Was. The one that has the correct vowel sound for question 54, brought, is raw, roar, roar. A. Use of English, test of orals, we test and turn us, but we will overcome. Claim it, claim that we will overcome this JAMB. From the words letter A to D, choose the words that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters on the line. Consonant sound, consonant sound. Criti, 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 t, 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 t. A. Asked, asked. JAMB is always asking this. B, sachets. C, depot. D, wrestle. Criti, asked. Asked. It's not asked, it's asked. And that is why A is the correct answer to question 58. Now, question 59. Choose the option that best fills the gap. Whilst the thief was dash, the passengers kept apologizing for the inconveniences he was causing them. While the thief was dash, the passengers kept apologizing for the inconveniences he was causing them. That's why the thief was dash, the passengers were apologizing for the inconveniences he was causing them. A, while the thief was robbing. B, while the thief was robbing. C, while the thief was robbing. D, while the thief was robbing. Hey, thief now robber. Which one is the correct answer? Is it robbing of A, or is it robbing of B, or is it robbing of C, or is it robbing of D? Tell me the correct answer I'm also giving you this one as an assignment. What is the correct answer to question 59? Tell me in the comment section. When we come back to part 41, we will continue from where we stopped in question 59. Remember, to receive all these materials I promise you, do 4 things. Number 1 is to be a member of our channel. How do you become a member? You become a member when you join our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join. Click on join and join now. See it as an investment. Once you join, you can call me, you can chat with me on WhatsApp. Then you will have my phone number for chatting with me on WhatsApp. You can ask me your questions. I and my team will be guiding you. When you join, the next thing for you to do is to like this video. Click on like, then come and share this video. Click on share this video on YouTube. Also click on share again. Share the video on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook groups, on Telegram channels. Share this video to your classmates, your classroom group, your family members. Share it to your friends and enemies. Everybody should get this video. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe. Once you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Remember that the main thing is for you to become a full member by joining. Once you join, do all those other things, type and subscribe, and I will chat you up and send to you all those materials. Remember the assignment I gave to you to submit them. I'm leaving a very, very important video for you on the screen. Click on it now and watch immediately.